Troubleshooting an LG French door refrigerator not closing or opening properly. If your LG French door refrigerator will not close or open properly, we have some questions and troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the door issue. Does the refrigerator or freezer door alarm continue even if the door is closed? If so, this usually means there are food items in the way. You'll need to rearrange the food near the door so it does not interfere with closing. Is the thin metal flap connected to the left door folded out when the left door is open? The flap is what the right door presses against to create a seal. At the top of the flap is a small plastic piece that fits into a track at the top middle of both doors. Make sure the doors are aligned at the top so that the flap contacts the track when closing. For refrigerators that have the door-in-door feature, did you press the button on the door while closing? The button should not be pressed while closing the door. Check if the door latch is stuck in place. Try to release the latch by pressing the latch button to reset it. If the freezer door will not close, this is sometimes because the drawer in the freezer is reversed. Confirm the front and back imprint on the drawer and insert the drawer accordingly. Are the doors hard or easy to open? Either can be caused by the home floor not being level. If the front of the refrigerator is higher than the back, the doors will be hard to open. If the back is higher than the front, the doors will be easy to open. Check the refrigerator tilt. Adjust the leveling legs in the front or place something as a shim underneath in the back so that the refrigerator is leveled and tilted slightly toward the back. Note that newer refrigerators can sometimes be hard to open at first. This is because there are magnets built into the rubber seal on all the door facings. On newer units, if the doors have not been open for a while, a suction builds up inside as the refrigerator pulls heat and moisture out of the cabinet to maintain proper cooling temperatures. In this case, once the doors are opened, they should be easier to open the next time. Lastly, does the left door require more pulling force to open than the right door? This is not a defect, but rather due to the weight difference between the left and right doors. The heavier left door is equipped with an auto-closing hinge with spring and will close by itself. The lighter right door uses a stopper and a normal hinge and needs to be closed manually. Here's a tip for owners of refrigerators with top or bottom freezers. Some models provide the ability to swap the door opening direction from left to right or right to left. A door stopper built into the bottom hinge keeps the door from swinging out too far. If you have swapped the opening direction and did not flip the stopper per the owner's manual instructions, it will keep the door from closing. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.